Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to add door access cards to iPhone. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now tap on Automation from the bottom middle of the screen. Then tap the new automation to create a new automation. Next, scroll down and tap on NFC. Here tap Scan next to NFC tag. Now hold your iPhone near the door access card and wait for the NFC tag to be detected. Once the card is recognized, enter a name for the NFC tag so you can identify it easily later. Then tap Next. Now turn on the toggle for Notify when run if you want to receive a notification whenever the NFC tag is scanned. After that, tap Next and choose the action you want the automation to perform when the card is scanned. You can launch an app, open a website, run a shortcut, control smart home devices, or perform other supported actions. Once you have selected the action, tap Done to save the automation. Keep in mind that this method does not actually copy or store a building access card on your iPhone. It only allows your iPhone to recognize an NFC tag and trigger an automation when it is scanned. If your building, office, hotel, or campus officially supports digital access cards in Apple Wallet, you may be able to add the card through the organization's app instead. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.